here we have some really special S65. It's really decked out. And I mean, it's AMG original. It's like rose gold edition S65 AMG. .630 horsepower. But what option is this called? Must be some kind of AMG edition. See, this logo is new. Wow, this thing is crazy. I don't know if I like it, but it's surely special. See the kick plate or what it is. It's like really special color, like rosé gold edition S65. Must have a look inside. I really love the S65. I really would like to have one. Always long wheelbase, always V12. Let's see. I just don't know what kind of edition this is. It's not my taste, but I still like it because it's a AMG original. Really special. Let's see here, like the lower skirt is this color as well. Crazy. I thought it was the S63 at first, but then I saw it was the S65. Check out those rims. I'd rather have an original S65, like without these things, but still, it's cool. So let's see what other AMG they have. Oops, I made it dirty.